In a small, quiet town surrounded by dense forests, there lived a young girl named Lily. Everyone knew her for her bright smile and contagious laugh. One day, as the sun dipped below the horizon, Lily went out to play near the woods and never returned. The town was engulfed in fear and sadness. People searched everywhere, calling out her name, but she was nowhere to be found. Days turned into weeks, and the hope of finding Lily started to fade. The townsfolk whispered tales of the forest, speaking of shadows and secrets hidden in its depths. They said it was a place from which few returned. Then, on a cold, misty evening, a group of hikers decided to explore a cave near the edge of the woods, a place untouched and feared by the locals. As they ventured deeper, their lights flickered upon a sight that made their hearts stop. Lily, sitting in the far corner of the cave, her eyes dark and empty, her smile twisted in a way that was unnervingly unnatural. As they approached, Lily's laughter echoed off the walls, a sound so chilling it seemed to come from another world. Her eyes, once filled with warmth, now held a darkness that seemed to swallow the light. The drawings around her depicted scenes of the forest, but with a sinister twist. Trees with faces twisted in agony. Lily spoke, but her voice was different, laced with a coldness that made the air around her feel heavy. She told tales not of adventures, but of a darkness that had embraced her, of whispers that had filled her mind with shadows. The cave, she said, was her home now, a place where she belonged with the creatures that whispered in the dark. The hikers fled, their hearts pounding with fear, leaving Lily behind. Her laughter followed them, a haunting reminder of what lay hidden beneath the serene facade of the forest.